Mixing. Let's mix the flour and water together to make dough. Stirring. I'm stirring the soup to make it yummy. Chopping. We need to chop the vegetables into small pieces for our salad. Baking. The cookies are baking in the oven. They smell delicious. Boiling. When water gets very hot, it starts boiling and making bubbles. Grating. We use a grater to grate cheese into tiny bits. Measuring. We use a measuring cup to pour exactly the right amount of milk. Tasting. Before we serve the soup, let's taste it to see if it needs more salt. Slicing. Carefully slice the bread so everyone can have a piece. Whisking. Use a whisk to mix the eggs until they are smooth and yellow. Peeling. Let's peel the banana so we can eat it. Pouring. Carefully pour the milk into the bowl. Sprinkling. We're sprinkling colorful sprinkles on top of the cupcakes. Frying. Daddy is frying eggs in the hot pan. Kneading. Watch how I knead the dough to make it smooth. Sifting. Sifting flour helps make it lighter for baking cakes. Rolling. We're rolling out the dough to make pizza. Greasing. Let's grease the baking pan so the cake won't stick. Whipping. Whipping cream makes it fluffy and ready to put on strawberries. Seasoning. We add salt and pepper to season our vegetables. Thank you, kids! For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.